a nice sunny day. Wow, fly my head, look. Oh, lovely day for a clean. I'm washing my hands. Oh. I want to play. No, get away from me. I just want a relaxation day today. Ooh, go away. What are you doing down there? Ooh. I want to play. He's supposed to be my friend. What are you talking about, you silly dog? Come back down here with me. All I want to do is have some fun. Much better over here on this fence. Easy, easy. Whoa! Oh, I think I'll just stay over here in the mud. Go away, you silly little boy. What are you doing, you stupid dog? Get out of my face. Oh, that bloody dog. If I hide down here, hopefully he won't see me. No, I can see your tail. Ugh, getting my paws all dirty. Maybe he won't see me up here. Right, the coast is clear. Oh, okay. I'll just play with my ball then. Ooh, silly old cat. Ooh.